4 SMMA winning offers that's going to put additional $10,000 or more in your agency's revenue. I know like I'm making this big claim. If you're going to stick to the very end of the video, you're going to discover 4 offers which you can implement right away and you guys can start getting clients even more fast. Running an agency sounds like it's very easy, but yeah, again, I'm not going to tell you what struggles you have faced while running an agency, but in order to get clients, where everyone, maybe even you, faces a lot of struggle to get clients in the first initial stages. And just to make that easier, I'm here with like 4 winning offers for you guys that's going to add like minimum of $10,000 or maybe even more if implemented correctly. But anyways, let's start with the first offer, which is again, it's going to be extremely cliche, generating lead using paid ads. That's what I've started out with. Now here's what you have to do differently is you have to add in guarantee. So generating leads using paid ads, it's extremely saturated. Every other agency owner is doing this. Whosoever is starting an agency, they're starting out with offering leads, and I get it. This is like one of the easiest and simple offer to go out there and start getting clients for. But at this point, after observing all these market saturation, the competition and whatnot, it's getting a little bit hard to get clients for just even generating leads using paid ads. Now I get it, you want to keep things simple when you're just starting out because you don't have much experience. You're just complete beginners, right? So you can start out with this particular offer where you're going to offer clients like generating leads using Facebook ads or other paid ad platforms. But now here what you have to do differently, you have to offer them a guarantee. No one guarantees anything when they first start out because they are not even aware like how does guarantees work. Guys, you know what, like client just wants to trust you enough to pay you. My clients trust me enough to pay me $10,000. How? Because we have a solid guarantee in place. And credibility is another thing, social proof is another thing, but firstly they want to trust you with the guarantee, like what you are actually offering. So they want to actually feel safe, like they actually want to feel reassured in a way, like they are paying you this much money. Is their money safe? Will they get scammed? Will I get scammed? Yeah, that's the real question. Will I get scammed with this guy too? Because they have been dealing through it. You have to make it a little easier for them to actually trust you. Like it would be good if you can just lower down their skepticism. I get on Zoom calls with my clients, they're extremely skeptical. How do I like lower down the skepticism is by like telling them, John, after this call I'll be sending you references you can talk to about your services so that you can just re-verify everything. And they feel, yeah, that's a good option, send me over that because I'm feeling very skeptical because my past experiences hasn't been good. So what kind of guarantee you can offer? I have an example for you. John, we are going to get you minimum of 30 qualified exclusive roofing, solar, remodeling, whatever your niche is, leads in a month, or we are going to give you 100% if you're not able to generate 30 leads minimum in a month. Now you should know, in order to generate those 30 leads, how much ad spend is required. And you don't know because you guys are just starting out, and that's why when you're first starting out, you have to experiment a lot of things. I don't know in remodeling and roofing niche. I think I am pretty much aware of roofing but not remodeling. I'm aware in solar. Like in solar, I guess $1,500 will get you more than 30 plus leads in a month. So it's just about the experience, right? You should just have a solid guarantee and that would just do the job. Alright, let's move on to the second offer, and this one is a little bit interesting and with a little twist. We are just going to use paid ad, but this time we are not going to generate lead, but we are going to generate appointments. And I would say this is something different, and I actually discovered this I would say in my second year of running my own agency. And here what we are doing is we will be generating leads using Facebook ads or any other paid platform. Then either if you have a good accent, if you're good at speaking English, or you can hire an agent from Philippines, whatever it is, and they are going to call these leads and book appointments for your client. As soon as you guys book the appointment, send it over to the client, and boom, your client will be more than happy because another agency was offering your client leads, but you're offering them appointments. You're going to stand out from the crowd, and eventually your client will sign up with you guys. I would say running this offer takes a little bit more effort because you need the right agent to call those leads. Again, you should you should be aware of like what ad spend is actually required to generate certain number of leads, and then you have to again guarantee the client like I would be able to get you 7 to 10 appointments booked in a month. So let's say let's say just solar, what we guarantee in this particular offer is we are going to get you 7 to 10 plus appointments in a month. How do I know? Out of experience. So we will be asking him to spend $1,500 on ads that would generate more than 30-35 leads, and we will call those 30-35 leads and book appointments for the client. That's all. That's I would say a little high ticket offer. You can easily charge $2,000 or more plus ad spend for this particular offer. Also, I forgot to mention for the first offer, so sorry for this, for the first offer you can typically charge between $1,000 to $2,000 plus ad spend. But for this offer, for generating appointments using Facebook ads, you can actually charge $2,000 or more. At one point we used to charge $3,000 plus ad spend for this particular offer, but the market saturation has actually compelled us to lower up prices and just charge for $1,500 to $2,000 for this particular offer. This is the most important offer of this video. That's what we have been doing for a while, and it has been a game changer. But again, it's extremely risky. Like in the past few weeks, I've posted a lot of YouTube videos and I've been talking about refunds a lot, right? Why? This is the reason. It's risky. So you have to go out there and you have to generate appointments using a call center, or you can say telemarketing, a BPO, something like that. For example, Solar, we went out there, we partnered up with like a lot of call centers, and now we are buying appointments from them at a certain price, which I cannot disclose it here, and then reselling those appointments to the clients for a profit. So it's not like one appointment, like buying one appointment from them and then reselling it. It's like buying 10 appointments in one time and then reselling it for a profit, right? Because doing it one time over and over again, it's going to take a lot of time and it's going to be extremely tedious. For example, you're going to create a package where you're going to, let's say for an example, from the call center you're buying roofing appointments for $200 per appointment, right? Then you will create an offer and you will resell those appointments for $400, where you'll be having a profit of $2,000. So you are going to buy those appointments, all 10 appointments from the call center, for a cost of $2,000 and resell those appointments for a cost of $400 to your clients at $4,000. So now you have a profit margin of almost $2,000 per client. And I know this sounds extremely, like mind blowing, in terms of the offers. When we first, talked about it, discussed about it, like we can also do something like this, it like actually blown away our minds. So the only simple game here is you have to buy the appointments from a call center and resell it to your clients in a package of 10, a package of 15, 20. We have a lot of packages. The minimum is 5 and we end up at 50, right? So this is just one appointment program. We have 3 different multiple programs where we resell these appointments for a profit. So 3 different programs, appointment setting programs, and that's why we get a lot of clients for all those 3 different programs. But if you're just starting out, just start out with one program where you just guaranteeing them something. We also like literally guarantee them 2 closes when they buy 10 appointments, because we are so confident in our offer. Like it's pretty much we are aware like most of our clients are closing like 40-50% out of 10 appointments. So these guys will also end up closing minimum of 2, which is extremely easy. Again, you can typically charge $1,500 minimum to $4,000 or maybe even more, depending on the price of the appointment with that call center. So guys, this was the second last offer that's going to change the game for you guys. Last but not the least, generating live transfers. Again, you can do this with Facebook ads or any other paid ad platform, or you can also ask that call center to generate live transfers and resell those live transfers for a profit to your client. So how you can generate these live transfers is generate leads from Facebook ads or any other paid ad platform. Have an agent. She is going to call the lead as soon as possible. When she actually starts talking with the lead, she is going to transfer that call to your client, and that's going to be termed as a live transfer. So you can also typically charge like maybe $2,000 plus ad spend for certain number of live transfers. Again, it depends on your niche, how many live transfers you can actually guarantee in a month. It could be maybe 10 with $1,500 ad spend, or maybe more. Again, research is important. But anyways guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I really hope you actually liked the video. If you did, definitely looking forward for the feedbacks in the comment section. And also in the description, you are going to see like our 10K SMMA remastered program, a coaching program where Ashish and I actually comes every single week and have a group live coaching session with you guys. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye.